Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa Logan here, your independent Scentsy director, and I am back with a really cool warmer to show you guys today. So here's the thing. I like to think of myself as a nice person, right? But I'll admit sometimes it's good to be bad, am I right? So this warmer just sort of exudes all of that sort of creepy, evil kind of thing. So I want to share with you our Disney Villains warmer. So right from the moment that you open this warmer, it's all part of the experience. Right on top, you're going to get this really cool picture because it just sets that tone, right? So of course that's the Evil Queen Disney Villain Scentsy warmer. I kind of love this. I sort of want to frame it, not gonna lie. I'm a huge Disney fan anyway, but villains are one of my favorites. So listen, I want to share with you, I don't even know how to share with you at first. I'm just going to share with you what it looks like. Look at the size of this bad boy. I mean, the detail on this is so stunning. So I'm going to take it piece by piece. So I'm going to bring it back down here so I can show you. I don't want to drop this thing. It's kind of heavy. It's kind of big. So this is a showstopper for sure. So I just want to break it down and show you what all is included. First things first, here is your wax dish. This is of course where you're going to put the wax melt in there. And if you guys know, I'm gonna link it below, but I've also just done a video on a Disney Villains wax collection that we have featuring Evil Queen, Maleficent, and Ursula. So they would be perfect with this whole combination. So here's your wax dish. Of course, it's got that poison apple in there to sort of set the tone. And I love that sort of evil green color. So that's what it looks like. Now, if I lift this up here to show you, this actually comes in sort of three pieces in a sense. This will come apart here so I can kind of show you what I'm doing, but my hands like shake because it's kind of heavy. But there's your base to it. So it looks, of course, like a cauldron. And I love the sort of design and the shape and how it all fits in pieces together. So I wanted to break that down and show you how it all comes together. So here is your base to the warmer. This comes with a 20-watt light bulb in green. Now, if you're a Scentsy fan or familiar with Scentsy, you'll know that our colored light bulbs only currently come in 25-watt bulbs and 15-watt bulbs. So this is a 20-watt bulb, which currently doesn't come in these colors. So this is a really special edition for this. So here is the color of it. It's sort of like an iridescent purple color, which I kind of love because the pictures I saw of it almost made it look more like a black color. So I really love that sort of deep and evil looking purple with the green pairing. It matches perfectly. Here's some little rubber stoppers on the outside of this, which is a really cool feature because it's a nice addition to, it's a new addition actually to our lampshade warmer. So the pieces don't slide and shake and bump around as much, which I really love. So here's the base of it. Now, over top of your base, you're going to have a glass sort of shade that fits down here. Now, this is really cool because it's got little scenes on it. So you can see there's your dragon, because of course that goes with Maleficent, her alter ego. There is the mirror, right? So there's the mirror from the Evil Queen, and peeking around here, there's little Ariel swimming with Flounder from the Little Mermaid because she's going to go as Ursula sort of watches over her before she steals her voice. So this shade is actually going to fit right down over top of your base. So you're going to get like this. And then the crown piece here sort of over top. Let me sit this down so I can share with you guys without bumping it too much. Here is the shade, like the main shade that's going to go down over top. Look how cool this is. Now you can see these are cutouts. Here you can see my hand in there. So this is what it looks like inside. This is hollow and it's got sort of cutout scenes. So of course there's Ursula. Check out the detail on these. I love, love, love. And there's your Evil Queen. Super cool. And you can see even Evil Queen is holding her poison apple. Like the detail on this is really gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And there, of course, is Maleficent. And she's got her little crow up here to sort of make Maleficent who she is, right? So I just love all of these details. So here's what happens when you put the warmer together, right? So here is your base and your shade, and then this sort of cauldron shade fits right down over top. That's where those rubber stoppers on the base are going to come in handy because it's not going to slide around and bump too much. Now, here's where you want to sort of line things up. So you can see there's Ursula here. Now you're going to want to reach inside and you can sort of spin this inside that green shade. So you're going to line that up so you can see Ariel. So there's Ursula looking through her crystal ball at Ariel. And then as you turn this around, there's your Evil Queen. And look, she's got her magic mirror with the face in it. And then if I can rotate all the way around. There's Maleficent and her sort of evil alter ego, right? When she turns into the dragon, there's the dragon eye staring at her below. Then, of course, pièce de résistance. There's your little wax dish that is going to fit right down on top. And here's the cool thing. You guys ready? Here comes the light. The evil glow that comes out of this and emits right from it. I mean, this is super, super cool warmer. Now, this one is limited supplies, my friends, so it's while supplies last only. I just love it. You can spin this around and see whatever scene you like the best. I love the look of it, the feel of it, just sort of all the things about it. The details are extraordinary. This is one of my favorite warmers that we've ever come out with, ever in my 3 years plus as a Scentsy consultant. I love this warmer. So in the US, the price on this guy is a little higher. It is $75 in the US, but the details and all of the things that go behind it, that's what makes it totally worth it. And you can also get that Villains Wax collection to go with it, which is phenomenal as well. I love this warmer, my friends. I can't even express to you how much I love this warmer. So anyway, I hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you want to get your hands on one before they are gone and sold out because they are not coming back, make sure you contact me below so we can get your hands on one. I will also put the link on there. I'll also add some links of some of my other Disney things that we have currently available with Scentsy. But anyway, I hope you guys love this warmer as much as I do. And until next time, my friends, always remember to be kind to one another. But always remember, sometimes it's good to be bad, right? But you can still be kind to one another. And always remember to keep smiling, my friends. I'll talk to you next time.